Los Angeles and we're heading back to Fort Lauderdale. Today we're flying Spirit on one of their A320 NEOs, so let's head over there right now. First problem with Spirit Airlines, apparently it's more to bring a carry-on than to check a bag. Now that we just finished security checkpoint, we're now headed to gate 56A just down the hallway to board Spirit Flight 310 to Fort Lauderdale. It's on an A320 NEO, registration November 916 November Kilo, coming in from Las Vegas. So I'll show you the plane once we get to the gate. Alright, we're here at gate 56A. The plane hasn't arrived yet. It should be arriving in around an hour because the flight's gonna leave at 7:52 from Las Vegas. But we're here early so we could eat and then board later.
If any unknown person attempts to give you any
Plane hasn't arrived yet.
One eternity.
Here's our plane that just arrived from Las Vegas, November 916 November Kilo. Alright, it is that time. We are boarding now at gate 56A to Fort Lauderdale. This is our seat, 10F. Alright, so in the seat we have a very small leg room for 5'1" me. The tray table is smaller than my hand. We got this nice wing view and no adjustable headrest for today. Our seat's very comfortable. Safety card.
Follow along. Federal regulations require compliance with this information, as well as with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards.
Like drinks on this flight or anything?
Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your hips. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle until it clicks. Tighten by pulling on the loose end of the belt. To open your seatbelt, lift the metal flap on the buckle. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. There are emergency exits located in the front, mid-cabin, and back of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs, directions for opening, and are equipped with evacuation slides. Overhead signs and aisle path lighting lead to all exits. Slides at the front and back door exits can be detached and used as wraps. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest you, keeping in mind the closest exit may be behind you. The cabin is pressurized. If there's a loss of cabin pressure, masks will drop from compartments above your seat and lavatory ceilings. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Hold the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask. Place the elastic band around.
Remove your mask before covering.
Head and tighten by pulling on the ends. Secure your own mask before helping others. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask, even though the bag may not inflate. In the unlikely event of a water landing, a life vest is located under your seat. First, pull the tab to retrieve the life vest pouch from its container. Then, tear along the perforated edge and remove the life vest from the pouch. Lean forward and place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, fasten the buckle, and pull on the strap to tighten. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. When exiting the aircraft, hold down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest to inflate. The vest can also be inflated by blowing into the tube located at shoulder level. Remember, do not inflate your vest until you exit the aircraft. The slides at the front and back exit doors can be detached and used as rafts. There is also a remote life raft located in an overhead compartment near the aft exit doors. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including the seatbelt and no smoking signs. All Spirit Airlines flights are non-smoking. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes or vaping devices, is not permitted in the cabin or lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Thanks for your attention, welcome aboard, and let's go!
Here we go. Texas. Okay, so the first question that would come to mind for most is why did you choose to fly Spirit Airlines? Well, The only reason why we flew Spirit Airlines for this leg is because this was the only flight available coming back to Fort Lauderdale from Los Angeles. The ticket online cost $58, however, we judged that too quick. At airport check-in, we had to check in bags, including carry-ons, which turned out to be around $300. So this turned out to be around $360, which is not really that great for a low-cost carrier. At this point in the flight, we are now at 25,000 feet, which is just lower than our cruising altitude of 37,000 feet for the flight, as we're descending into Fort Lauderdale right now over Tampa. On this flight, we did take a different landing approach, so we had to turn over the ocean by flying over northern Fort Lauderdale due to the fact that there was abnormal weather in Fort Lauderdale.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is 5:25 a.m. We know you're ready to go, but please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items stowed into the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. For those guests who may require special assistance, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the end of the declining process. This allows us to best assist you. We invite you to visit spirit.com/free spirit to sign up and learn more about the new Free Spirit loyalty program. You can start earning with today's flight. The new Free Spirit makes it easier for everyone to travel regardless of how frequently they travel. Visit spirit.com/free spirit to see all of the great benefits we have for you. Thanks again for choosing Spirit Airlines. We've loved having you aboard, and we hope to welcome you back again soon. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
you.
Guys, let's go.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Alright, so we just flew Spirit, and you might ask what's the verdict? Based on all of the reviews and ratings online. However, mine happens to be different. Spirit was actually pretty okay. It was not terrible. It was a very smooth takeoff, landing, smooth flight. The cabin crew was great. I liked it, but the only issue is that a lot of things are expensive. I mean, to check in a carry-on bag compared to a regular piece of luggage, it was $73 compared to $61, so in total it will cost like almost $300 to bring our bags. So when you think it's low cost, don't be so quick to judge that, because it really kind of isn't. However, it was a good flight, and I really enjoyed it. I would fly again. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.